Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another advent calendar to share with you, and I've got Neal's Yard Remedies. Gorgeous, gorgeous calendar. The cost of the calendar is £89 and it has a value of £187.50, and it's their 12 days of beauty and well-being. This calendar was kindly sent to me as a PR sample. You'll find a link to this calendar listed down below in my description, and currently on their website you have a free gift with purchase offer, so I'll pop that down below as well. Plus, if you're new to Neal's Yard Remedies, you might be entitled to receive 15% off your first order if you sign up for a newsletter. All that information will be listed down below, as well as links to all my other offers and discounts and discount codes and my giveaway. I've got a advent calendar giveaway for a Sephora advent calendar on my Instagram page. You'll find all that listed down below in my description. So yeah, so let's get on to open this up and looking inside. I received a Christmas chest last year from them and it was beautiful, absolutely stunning. So it is nice to see that they've come back with an advent calendar that contains different products, but also they brought out a more affordable option, so it might appeal to more people maybe. I'm not too sure, but it's still stunning. Look at it. It's beautiful, isn't it? It says here, outer beauty and inner health in perfect balance. So day number 1 then, down here on the side here, it says it all begins with self-love. And we've got a hydrating cream, Rejuvenating Frankincense hydrating cream, moisturizes and smooths, 24-hour hydration for all skin types. And there's 50 grams here. This was in last year's calendar, and it is a gorgeous, gorgeous cream. I'm not going to open it up, I'm going to save it because I have got a few moisturisers on the go at the moment. Apply daily after cleansing and toning. Massage onto the face and neck using an upward and outward sweeping motion until fully absorbed. From memory, it is amazing for me over winter time when my skin tends to be a little drier. I've got combination skin, but it tends to get dry around the outer edges of my face. Middle is fine, just the outer edges here. So I tend to up my skincare. I add oils into moisturizers, and yeah, my moisturizers tend to be more thick. I let them sink into my skin a little bit longer just so that I can get that extra hydration from them. But yeah, so I'll be saving this for the winter months for my skin. But it says here though, it is suitable for all skin types. Day number 2 up here. The tree is our beauty, the roots are our health. The two should be in perfect balance. We've got a little beauty balm. It's a wild rose beauty balm. This is a really nice size pot actually. Really nice size pot to put in your bag, put in your car. my handbags and cars got loads of stuff. Cuticle oils, lip balms, hand sanitizing sprays. Yeah, this is a 1-pot wonder. We've got 15 grams here, and I received this in last year's calendar as well, the full-size version, and it's just good for anything, as wonder balms, as you'd imagine wonder balms are. So great for cuticles. This is what I tend to use them more so for. I tend to have really dry and chipped cuticles. Chipped, not chipped, just like have bits of skin coming up, so dry essentially. So good for, oh, it just smells so nice. Doesn't smell of rose, not the rosy smell that I don't like, you know. It just smells just nice. Good for cuticles, good for dry areas, your hands or your knuckles, elbows, knees, feet even. Really great for feet. Slathering on a load, put them on your feet at night, putting an old pair of socks on. Yeah, really, really nice in the morning. On your lips as a lip balm. Yeah, it is a multi-purpose, handy little pot that does everything then, you know. Day number 3 down here. Get creative and give new life to your old blue bottles by upcycling them around your home. This is a citrus shower gel, cleanses and freshes with a zesty blend of organic lemon, lime and grapefruit essential oils. This just sounds amazing. 50 mils, exactly what I like. I'm obsessed with lemons and grapefruits. Oh my gosh, I can smell it. I just want to drink it. Oh my gosh, I just want to drink it. That is so nice. I haven't tried this one before. Really nice. It's a shower gel. I wonder how much that is for the full size. I can't stop smelling it. I wonder how much that is for the full size. That is just so, so nice. Really chuffed with that. Massage into skin, work into a lather and rinse. Yeah, really happy with that. Day number 4. A good night's sleep is the gift that keeps on giving. Could this be a spray? Yeah. Oh, this is so nice as well. I have got one of these. It's either on the shelf above me there, or it's in my little drawer that is just by the side of me. This is a good night pillow spray, restful and relaxing. There's 45 mils here. And you just spray 2 to 3 sprays around your pillow, on your duvet, before you go to bed. It is really nice. It is really nice. You can smell lavender, but it's not overpowering. It's not, you know, if you're not that keen on lavender, there are, I don't know what's in it. I can't describe them. Citrusy smells in there. Citronol, grananol, linanol, limonen, mandarin orange peel. Yeah, there's some fruity smells going on in there as well. It's a really, really nice spray, and it's a little bit different to the ones we usually see. You know, when we get in different subscription boxes. Day number 5 up here. Happiness is the highest form of health by the Dalai Lama. Ooh, arnica salve. Ideal for exercise, and there's 10 grams here. That's one thing that's missing, is information about the products. That's what I'd really like to see on the back. We've got the ingredients listed, but no information about them. It just says, take a moment each day to wrap yourself in our edit of the finest natural beauty and well-being, crafted with ethically and sustainably sourced botanicals and essential oils. Our limited edition calendar features 12 days of indulgent seasonal self-care favourites encased in a beautiful forever box to help you feel good and look good naturally. But yeah, it doesn't have actual individual information, but from what I know of arnica, it's great if you've had a baby to help with the healing process. Good if you've got bruising, basically. It's a healing salve, so if you've got bruises or anything like that, then it helps with the healing process. And I'm guessing, as it says here, ideal for exercise. It aids in like sore muscles and things like that. It helps restore your muscles maybe. But I love the little pot though. Number 6 over here. Never underestimate the power of touch to nourish mind, body and soul. Oh, we got Remedies to roll. This is a woman's balance, 9 mils. Pure essential oils in an organic base, and roll over your pulse points. On your wrists, on your temples, and woman's balance. I need to read up more about this, but they're generally used to de-stress and to help focus as well. It depends on the different oils used. It's a lot of smells, I can't tell you. But if you are interested in this advent calendar for yourself and you want to learn a little bit more about the products, you are able to see on the website all the products that are featured inside the calendar. So then you're able to look them up on the website for more information. Day number 7 down here. We believe that through sustainable development and trading fairly, we can all help to protect this beautiful planet. Oh, we got a hand treatment serum. This smooths, firms and evens skin tone. This is from the Frankincense range, and there's 20 mils there. I'm sure this was in last year's box. You'd expect it to be like a cream, like a thick cream, but it's not, it's a gel. So a hand treatment serum, which is something you don't often hear of. You hear of creams to moisturize and hydrate, but yeah, an actual serum to treat. You use a serum on your face. I have got age spots developing on my hand. Only this one, not on this one. And I'm guessing it's because of driving. I don't know. I honestly don't know. So yeah, you might be able to see there. You can see them there. They're like raised little freckle lumps they are. So something like this would hopefully help that. Day number 8 up here. Almost everything will work again if you unplug it for a few minutes, including you. We have got here aromatic foaming bath, relaxes and soothes with a soothing blend of organic lavender, Spanish marjoram and geranium. And there's 50 mils there. Oh, wow. Oh, like a nice, relaxing nighttime sort of scent, although I haven't got a bath anymore. Oh, that smells so nice. I know exactly who would love that. So there's that. So day number 9. Did you know you can pop into our stores for a free water refill to help reduce single-use plastic? I would love to pop in their store. I live in the back of beyond. I live in West Wales. I have to travel far to get to any nice little towns, or even Cardiff is what, nearly 2-hour drive away. I would love to visit a Neal's Yard Remedies store. I've seen photos, I follow them on Instagram. Oh, the stores just look beautiful, absolutely stunning. Yeah. This is a Wild Rose Eye Brightener. Visibly enhances radiance, certified organic, and there's 10 mils there. Revives, smooths and reduces the appearance of dark circles and puffiness for a brighter, revitalised eye area. Apply to clean skin morning and evening. Dot a small amount around the eyes, then lightly dab until fully absorbed. Something for your eyes. Day number 10 here. We sow, we grow, we bottle. We got a Beauty Sleep Concentrate. Recharges all skin types. And there's 8 mils here. No, I don't know this. I don't know anything about this. I've looked it up. It's got really great reviews, nearly all 5-star reviews. This best-selling lightweight serum helps to support your skin's natural nighttime regeneration while you sleep. With a smoothing tripeptide and a calming blend of essential oils, it helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles so you can wake up beautiful every day. I love the sound of that. Day number 11 down here. Organic ingredients are kinder to the earth and kinder to you. We've got a Be Lovely hand cream with moisturising honey and uplifting orange essential oil for beautiful soft hands. And there's 50 mils there. Oh, wow. Oh, it feels amazing. Does it smell? Oh, I can smell citrus. I can smell the orange. The orange is gorgeous. I can't smell honey. Maybe. But it feels really, really nice in my hands. Be Lovely hand cream. Day number 12 at the top here, the last one of the box. Repurpose your calendar to give it a second life, or refill and reuse it next year. And we have got a Restore and Smooth Serum, and this is for sensitive skins. Clinically proven, certified organic, no parabens, synthetic colours or fragrance, animal testing and GMO. Apply to clean skin morning and evening. Squeeze 2 drops of serum into fingertips and apply to your face and neck with a light upward and outward sweeping motion until fully absorbed. For results you love, use after Comfort and Hydrate Micellar Cleanser and follow with Replenish and Balance Moisturiser. And we've got 30 mils there. So we've got a nighttime serum and we've got a daytime serum, or you could use this at night as well. Can you see how gorgeous the blue bottles are? They are really pretty. Did they really stand out in the camera? Maybe not. I'm not too sure. So those are all the products inside this year's Neal's Yard Remedy 12 Days of Beauty and Wellness Advent Calendar. The cost of the Advent Calendar is £89 and it has a value of £187.50. Look at my fingerprints on there now after putting on the hand lotion. I think that is gorgeous. It is such a beautiful calendar. I'm really, really grateful for Neal's Yard Remedies for reaching out to me asking if I'd be interested in unboxing it for them. Yeah, really gorgeous products. A few products I've never tried before, plus a few favourites of mine as well. Yeah, really, really like it. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think? What do you think of this brand? Do you have any favourite products from this brand? I'd love to hear what you'd recommend. Or are you watching this wondering, shall I, shan't I? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.